Hey YouTube, got some blues let out, so here we go. Stood still on the highway, I saw a woman by the side of the road, with a face I knew like my own, reflected in my window. Well, she walked up to my quarter light. She bent down real slow. A fearful pressure paralyzed me in my shadow. She said, "Son, what are you doing here? My fear for you has turned me in my grave." I said, "Mama, I've come to the valley of the rich, myself to sell." She said, "Son, this is the road to hell. On your journey across the wilderness, from the desert to the well, you have strayed upon a motorway to hell." Standing by the river, but the water doesn't flow. It boils with every poison you can think of, and I'm underneath the street light, the delight of joy I know, scared beyond belief, down in the shadow. And the perverted fear of violence chokes a smile on every face. Common sense is ringing out the bell. This ain't no technological breakdown. Oh no. The road jam up with credit, and there's nothing you can do. It's all just bits of paper flying away from you. Look out, world, take a good look. Look who's down there. You must learn this lesson fast, learn it well. Ain't no upwardly mobile freeway. Oh no.